If you are planning to add or remove attractions from the website, so you can click on attraction setting. After clicking on this setting, one pop-up will appear on the screen. Existing all the attractions you can see on the screen. Over here you can add or remove particular name as well as pictures and that respected URL of the attractions. If you want to add new attractions, so you can click on green button. After clicking on that, on the below you can see all the attractions has been added. Here I am adding one more attractions for your understanding. Let me write. You can add any attractions nearby your property as well as any particular URL relevant to the attraction, including the pictures. After that you can click on save attraction setting. You can see on the front view of the website. Here you can see attractions has been added. Now let's see if you want to remove any particular attractions, so you can click on red button. Let me click on that and then click on the save button. Let's reload the website. Here you can see that particular attractions has been removed. Thank you.